quota sampling. Let's use food tasting at a supermarket as an example. Suppose that a new brand of vegetarian sausages is going to be launched. The company wants to get feedback on the taste, texture, etc. of their product and decide that they would like to survey some different groups. 16 to 20 years, 21 to 30 years, 31 to 40 years, and 41 years plus. The number of individuals in each group may vary according to what they consider will be the numbers in each category in their target population. In this regard, this method is analogous to stratified sampling. Suppose the company considers most of its customers for this product will be in the younger age categories. They may well say that they want 2,000 people to be surveyed in the 16 to 20 group, 3,000 in 21 to 30, 1,500 in the 31 to 40 age group, and 1,000 in the 41 and above group. Their survey people will then go out into the supermarkets, cook up some of the sausages, and ask customers to taste them and ask a couple of questions. They continue this process until they have the right number of people in each category. There are advantages to this. A small sample can be representative of the population. As already mentioned, no sampling frame is required. It is quick, easy, and inexpensive compared to any type of random sampling. It has the advantage, like stratified sampling, of allowing for comparisons between different groups within a population. Disadvantages include: there are many more sources of bias with any non-random sampling method. The initial division of the groups is more likely to be flawed than if you are looking at the demographic on a sampling frame. Increasing the scope of a study often means creating more groups, which compounds the problem discussed above, as well as increasing costs. Coming back to this, one of the sources of bias with this type of method is that somebody just asks you as you're walking around the supermarket, and they may well feel that certain types of people are more approachable than others, and that inherently builds in bias.